Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day. Tina here. Now today I'm sharing with you the brand new product kit from Club LLLC Crafts. This is the product kit for December 2018, brand new. If you're a subscriber, your kit should be shipping pretty soon. And if you're new, this is one of 3 kits over at Club LLLC Crafts. Product kit has 2 stamp sets along with coordinating theme dies, but there's 2 other kits that are available. You can just get the stamps, both of them come together, or you can just get the dies. So 3 options for the Club LLLC Crafts kits. The stamps are quality red rubber, and they're larger images, great for Copic coloring or alcohol marker coloring. If you're a subscriber, your kit will come with a cover that will have a full color detail sheet with names and links and a lot of fun stuff. But I just don't have mine yet, so I'm going to stamp them out and show you what they look like. This is Marci, and she's holding a cute little telephone. Love her. I love her hair. This is going to be so fun. I'm still fairly new at Copic coloring, so when I see a different hairstyle, I think it's fun to play. Next, we'll take a look at the second stamp set. These have some adorable pandas. 2 of them are holding, I guess back in the day, where when you were a child, I guess you could make pretend phones with cups and strings. Well, 2 of those pandas are holding the cups up to their ears, and I think they're just so cute. And then the third one has the cutest expression. The Panda stamp set comes with 6 sentiments. Marci comes with 2. Marci comes with I'm only I'm only a call away. Pandas come with have you heard OMG, I've heard it's your birthday, great news and congrats. But these are the 2 stamp sets, and they are super duper cute. Now we're going to take a look at the coordinating theme dies. This month's kit comes with 4 in total. You get the little phone cord, great for portrait style cards or landscape. You get this adorable little telephone, and it comes with 2 different pieces. So the dial separate where you could layer it on your phone, which creates wonderful dimension. And then you get this hello die. I just think that's so cute. I'm going to die cut all of these out and show you what they look like. This is the hello die. It has stitch lines going down the middle of each letter. Super cute. So that's our hello. And then the sentiment on Marci's side, you can complete it with the hello there. This is our telephone. Cute. There's stitch line details on there too. And then your little dial just goes right in the center of your phone. And that little heart punches out too. So that's your phone. And the telephone is in 2 separate pieces. I just chose to keep mine together. And then this is our little phone cord. Super swirly and cute. I think it'd make a great border for any project. So these are your 2 stamp sets, and these are your dies in the December 2018 product kit for Club LLLC Crafts. Now we're going to make one project using Marci today. So I'm going to take out my mini, well actually I didn't even do that. I want to use the panel that we stamped. But I left the coloring in, and I also listed the caps in the left hand corner for you guys. Sometimes they're a little bit hard to read, but while I color, I will play a little bit of music for you guys, and when I'm done, there's my little friend. But when I'm done, I will catch you back. Okay, coloring is done. I'm just dotting her eyes with my white gel pen. And I was so happy with the way her hair turned out. Her hair has little curly waves in it, and I've never did waves before. But when I colored in her hair, I actually typically start with the light and then do my shading with the darkest. But just to show you guys where I added my darkest shade, I went in with my medium shade after I put in my light. But it was super fun to color in. I was really happy with the outcome. Okay, I'm going to use some pattern papers that I had in my stash. I'm going to use a double stitched rectangle die from Club LLLC Crafts and cut out a panel with the little phone dials. I'm going to cut out the telephone with some, it's a dark navy blue pattern paper, and then also the little red and white polka dot there. I did cut out a teal colored strip of pattern paper also. Okay, we're going to assemble our phone. Now I wanted to add dimension, but I know there's no way I could put foam tape behind that dial. But I do want to pop it up. So I just die cut out a piece of fun foam. The fun foam that I used has adhesive backing. So all I had to do was stick it down to my phone and then add a little glue on the top. And then I can add my dial to it. And this way it gives me dimension. In fact, I liked it so much I want to die cut out the telephone itself too with black fun foam. We're going to pop that as well. We're just going to punch out all the little pieces. The dies work great on the fun foam. It does smush them a little bit. The foam does smush a little bit, but it'll regain its shape after a little while. I'm just using my glue and we'll attach our telephone right on top. This way I can keep the adhesive backing on the back side. But I have a little bit of dimension for my telephone there. Okay. I did take my square die and cut out that bottom piece with the polka dots. I just layered it so I have a rectangle shape. I'm using my tape runner and adhering this panel to my card base, which is 4 1/4 by 5.5 inches. And I'm going to trim down my polka dot paper. I want it a little bit lower, so it's going to measure 1.5 inches. We'll just tape that on the bottom of our panel, leaving a little bit of a white border all around. Kind of figure out our placement. I'll take this strip of pattern paper and put it over the seam, but I'm going to go from the edge of the card all the way the length of my card base here. We'll just trim off the excess. Okay, now I did add foam tape behind Marci, and for my sentiment, in the paper pad that I'm using, I had, there's like a Rolodex, I want to say, kind of a paper. I just cut out 2 of the little phone cards there, and I figured that would be a great place to stamp my sentiment. The only one that would fit was the OMG, so I'll ink that up with some VersaFine ink and stamp that on this bottom one. And then I did score it. This way I can fold it in half, and if you wanted to write an extra little message on the inside, you could. I'll just use my tape runner and adhere that to my card base, and then I'll remove the release paper from behind Marci, and then we can place her down on our card base. Lovely. And then we'll just remove the release paper off of our foam from our phone and kind of place that a little bit wonky right next to Marci. Okay, for bells and whistles, I'm going to go in with some Nuvo glitter drops. This is Gold Coast. And I'm going to go on the inside of the dial on each of those little holes. And then also I'm going to dot the little holes on the phone that she's holding. And then I'm going to add a little bit of glossy accents to each one of those little hearts on the dials in my background. And as I was doing that, I noticed the inside of the phone, that little heart, was missing. So I used the red heart from the die cut that I showed you earlier, and it fits right in there. So I'll just use a little bit of glossy accents and then add my heart on the inside of my telephone there. And then that completes it. That completes my project for today. Now I also wanted to show you that if you are a Club LLLC Crafts subscriber, there's a step-by-step tutorial on your cover sheet when your kit comes in. If you click on that link, There are tutorials, tons of tutorials out there for you guys. And this next card that I made is one of the tutorials. And they're downloadable, they're printable, and I think this card is just super cute. I made it with the little pandas and the hello die. Love that. But this is my project for today. I thank you so much for joining me. I wish you a fantastic day, and we will see you again soon. Bye-bye.